Post-independence consolidation and reorganization within the country. Post-independence consolidation and reorganization refer to the efforts made by newly independent countries to strengthen their political, economic, and social structures and to redefine administrative boundaries. This process is also often critical for maintaining stability, fostering national unity, and addressing historical and regional disparities. Different countries have undertaken various strategies for consolidation and reorganization based on their unique historical, cultural, and political contexts. Here are a general overview of some few specific examples. Integration of princely states, India. Creation of Pakistan and Bangladesh, 1971. Decolonization in Africa. European integration. Reorganization in Southeast Asia. Post-Soviet states. Post-Cold War Balkans. Integration of princely states, India. India, upon gaining independence in 1947, faced the challenge of integrating over 500 princely states into the newly formed Republic of India. The integration process involved diplomatic negotiations, acceding to the Indian Union, and the use of military force in some cases. The States Reorganization Act of 1956 further reorganized states along linguistic lines aiming to address linguistic and cultural diversity. Creation of Pakistan and Bangladesh, 1971. Pakistan was created in 1947 as a separate state for Muslims during the partition of British India. In 1971, East Pakistan became the independent country of Bangladesh after a war of independence. The separation addressed ethnic and linguistic disparities between the Bengali-speaking East Pakistan and the predominantly Urdu-speaking West Pakistan. Decolonization in Africa. Many African countries gained independence from colonial rule in the mid-20th century. Post-independence, there were efforts to consolidate power and unify diverse ethnic groups. Some nations faced challenges related to border disputes, ethnic tensions, and the need to establish inclusive governance structures. European integration. The aftermath of World War II led to the establishment of the European Union as a means of consolidating peace and fostering economic cooperation among European nations. The European Union expanded over the years with additional member states joining, leading to complex institutional and political adjustments. Reorganization in Southeast Asia. Countries like Malaysia and Singapore underwent reorganization in the 1960s. Singapore was briefly part of Malaysia but later became an independent city-state in 1965. These changes aimed to address ethnic and political differences and establish stable and viable nation-states. Post-Soviet states. The dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991 resulted in the emergence of independent states in Eastern Europe and Central Asia. Newly independent countries faced the challenge of establishing their political systems, economies, and international relations. Post-Cold War Balkans. The breakup of Yugoslavia in the 1990s led to the emergence of several independent states accompanied by ethnic tensions and conflicts. Efforts were made to redraw borders, address ethnic issues, and establish stable governance structures. Consolidation and reorganization are ongoing processes, and countries continue to adapt to changing circumstances and changes. These efforts often involve addressing historical grievances, fostering national unity, and promoting inclusive governance. Thanks for watching.